And without you, tonight's event would not happen. I really just want to thank you all for braving the traffic. Some don't even know what is going to happen tonight. You came for different reasons. But I know that deep inside, you responded to a call to help people you don't even know. And for that, I thank you very much. In behalf of EPCOM and the organizing team, especially our Resource Mobilization Director, Sunny Koo, who conceptualized this whole gala years back. We initially didn't have the courage to do it because we were thinking, can we really do it? But then we just had to take the leap of faith and say, we just have to have the courage and to just trust God for the people who will come to the gala. And you are these people. So can we give you all a big round of applause? Amazing. I wish I could see your faces, but the light is really so bright. But I know that all of you who are here now, you came for different reasons, I'm sure. Some would want to see Martin, some would want to hear Boyd, some would want to hear Augie. Thank you. Some would want to hear Augie and Reggie and Top Susara. Many of you came for that probably. But I know also that some of you, if not all of you, came because there's a void or a space in your heart that you want to find purpose. Most of you are successful, but the purpose that we're giving you now in this whole gala, 20 years of service for EPCOM, this is your journey to significance. I truly thank you all for being here. I see familiar faces. If I could just embrace all of you, because 20 years of service doesn't end here. We look forward to another 20 years probably of maybe bigger impact, stronger support. Many lives will be transformed because you are here. And I trust that each one of you here, we're about 500 people here tonight, you will multiply. And that is how EPCOM grows. Because EPCOM is not for me. It's not for us. It is for someone up there to say, you have to take care of your brothers, your sick sisters. So again, I would thank you all for being here, and I know you will enjoy this time. I just want to extend that thankfulness to all of you, that gratitude, because tonight is a night of gratitude. It's a night of generosity. It's a night of purpose. It's going to be a musical experience. I thank all of those who had to come all the way from Guam, Dili, from Dumaguete, the Ramos Wepiching group, from everywhere in Manila. You came because you felt the desire to help. So thank you, Nikki. Thank you so much. There's many more of you there. I cannot mention everyone, but I know that we are a group united. When hearts unite, healing begins. Do you believe that? So all of us here, hearts united, healing begins. And I'm sure all of us have a desire to be healed, or we have something in us that needs healing. So can we just all say, thank you, Lord, for the healing. Thank you for the healing. And when hope is shared, like tonight, hope grows. So my dear friends, hope is growing, and that, I guess, is the very thing that will keep us going. So you, my dear friends, you are the light in the darkness. EPCOM's vision was born to be the light, the hope in darkness. Because having a diagnosis for leukemia is like being put in a dark pit. You've heard the patient's journey. So let's continue to hold hands, because if we do things together, then we get closer to a world where no one will go through leukemia alone. I used to think it was a rare thing, but leukemia is very common. It can happen to anyone, so I guess we would rather help than be helped, right? So again, can you give yourselves a round of applause for helping patients and for embracing the mission of EPCON. When you embrace it, you will live it, you will breathe it. That's what happened to Boy Abunda when he joined us. That's what happened to Martin Rivera when he joined us. And now we have Augie and Reggie and Top. Top has always been for EPCON as well. So my friends, there's always something in you that needs to come out. May it be your resources, may it be your talent, may it be your time, may it be your mental acumen, whatever it is, there is a space for you in EPCON. And we bring all the glory back to the Lord. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the evening.